You ever walk past a construction site and wonder what's going on behind those fences? You see cranes swinging steel beams, sparks flying from welding torches, guys in hard hats yelling directions. It's chaos, right? Well, not so fast. Behind the grit and the grime, there's a revolution happening in construction. It's called BIM modeling, and it's changing the way we design and build everything from skyscrapers to hospitals. Imagine designing a building where every detail is planned, visualized, and tested before construction even begins. That's the power of BIM modeling. We're talking about a digital world where architects, engineers, and contractors can collaborate in real time, catching potential problems before they become real-world headaches. So, what exactly is BIM? Well, forget those rolled-up blueprints your grandpa used to carry around. BIM, or Building Information Modeling, is like giving a building its own digital twin. It's more than just a three-dimensional model. It's a dynamic database packed with information about every nut, bolt, and pipe in the structure. Think of it this way. Remember those old-school model cars you used to build? You'd snap the plastic pieces together, slap on some paint, and call it a day? BIM is like building that model car, but instead of plastic, you're using digital building blocks that contain real-world information about the materials, dimensions, and performance of each component. And get this, you can use BIM to simulate all sorts of scenarios. Want to see how your building will hold up in an earthquake? BIM can do that. Want to optimize energy efficiency and reduce your carbon footprint? BIM's got you covered. Need to figure out the best way to route plumbing and electrical systems without turning your walls into a game of pickup sticks? You guessed it, BIM can handle that too. But here's the real kicker. BIM isn't just for architects and engineers. Contractors on the ground can access the BIM model in real time, using tablets and augmented reality to see exactly where every beam, duct and wire needs to go. No more guessing games, no more costly rework. Now let's talk about the benefits of BIM, because in the world of construction, time is money and nobody wants to waste either. First off, BIM fosters collaboration like never before. Remember those days when architects, engineers and contractors were like ships passing in the night, each working in their own silo? With BIM, everyone's on the same page, literally. They can access the same digital model, make changes in real time, and see how those changes impact the entire project. This brings us to another huge advantage, clash detection. You know that sinking feeling you get when you realize two components are supposed to occupy the same space? Yeah, that's a clash, and it can lead to costly delays and rework on a job site. BIM acts like a virtual referee, flagging potential clashes before a single shovel hits the dirt. It's like having X-ray vision for your building, allowing you to spot and resolve conflicts before they turn into budget-busting nightmares. But wait, there's more. BIM isn't just about practicality, it's also about pushing the boundaries of design. Want to take your clients on a virtual tour of their dream home before the foundation is even poured? BIM makes it possible. With virtual reality and immersive visualization tools, you can walk through a building, experience different design options, and make changes on the fly. It's like stepping inside the computer and becoming part of the design process. And for all you environmentally conscious folks out there, BIM is a game changer for sustainable design. By simulating energy performance, analyzing material usage, and optimizing building systems, BIM helps create structures that are easier on the planet and your wallet. Now you might be thinking, okay, Mike, this BIM thing sounds impressive, but is anyone actually using it? The answer is a resounding yes. BIM is no longer a futuristic concept. It's the industry standard for major construction projects worldwide. We're talking about iconic structures, hospitals, airports, the works. Take the Burj Khalifa, for example. You know, that little skyscraper in Dubai that kisses the clouds? Yeah, that one. The Burj Khalifa was designed and built using BIM. And let me tell you, coordinating the construction of the world's tallest building is no walk in the park. But BIM helped ensure that every piece of the puzzle fit together perfectly, from the foundation to the spire. And it's not just skyscrapers. BIM is being used to design and build hospitals that are safer, more efficient, and more patient-centric. Imagine a hospital where surgeons can use augmented reality to visualize complex procedures before they even pick up a scalpel. Or how about airports designed to handle millions of passengers with ease? thanks to BIM's ability to optimize passenger flow and baggage handling systems. From bridges spanning vast rivers to tunnels burrowing deep beneath mountains, BIM is changing the face of infrastructure projects around the globe. It's helping to create structures that are not only impressive feats of engineering, but also more sustainable, resilient, and adaptable to the challenges of the 21st century. So what's next for BIM? Well, hold on to your hard hats, folks, because the future of construction is about to get even more exciting. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence helps optimize building designs in real time, where drones and robots collaborate with human workers on construction sites, and where buildings can monitor their own health and performance, alerting us to potential problems before they even occur. That's the power of BIM, combined with emerging technologies. We're talking about cloud-based collaboration platforms that allow teams from around the world to work on the same BIM model simultaneously, breaking down geographical barriers and accelerating project timelines. We're talking about digital twins, virtual representations of physical assets that provide real-time data and insights throughout a building's lifecycle, from design and construction to operation and maintenance. With the rise of smart cities and the Internet of Things, BIM is poised to play a pivotal role in creating buildings that are more connected, responsive, and intelligent than ever before. Imagine buildings that can adjust lighting and temperature based on occupancy, optimize energy consumption in real time, and even predict maintenance needs before they become major headaches. The future of BIM is about more than just bricks and mortar. It's about leveraging technology to create a built environment that is safer, more efficient, and more sustainable for generations to come. So there you have it, folks. BIM modeling is revolutionizing the way we design, build, and operate the world around us. It's a game changer that's saving time, reducing costs, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in construction. Want to build better, faster, and smarter? BIM is the answer. It's time to ditch those dusty old blueprints and embrace the digital revolution in construction.